Hello, and welcome to Cooking Lessons for Dad, where you learn to cook healthy, cook easy. My name is Karen Breyer, and today we're making a delicious French lentil rice soup. This is really easy to make in a crock pot or slow cooker. Very flavorful, hearty, healthy. I think you're going to love it. The ingredients in this recipe are chicken broth, or you can have water and a chicken style instant seasoning, which I'm going to use that. Lentils, diced carrots, diced onions, diced celery, uncooked brown rice, minced garlic, thyme, kosher salt or salt of your choice, and ground black pepper. So the first thing that we need to do is rinse and drain the lentils. We want to check them, make sure that there's no rocks or debris in it. So we'll go do that next. Looks good, nothing unusual in there. Okay, that's good. We'll go put them in the crock pot. Okay, we're going to put our lentils into a crock pot or a slow cooker. Next, we're going to add the rest of our ingredients. So I have water and instant chicken broth seasoning. You could use regular chicken broth, regular instant chicken broth. This is a vegan, so it's like a chicken style instant broth seasoning. Very delicious, very healthy, and if you can't find this, I have a recipe that you can make it by hand. Very simple. Anyways, we're going to start with 8 cups of water. And 8 teaspoons of the chicken broth seasoning. I'm going to do 2 tablespoons and 2 teaspoons to make 8. The other nice thing about this is you can adjust it to your taste. At the end, you can try it. If you want a little bit more chicken flavor, you can add it without adding more water. Okay, that was 8 teaspoons. Stir this. Next, 1.5 cups of diced carrots. And I diced all the veggies small because the lentils are small. If you have big pieces, it will kind of cover up the lentils and it looks nicer if they're all a similar size. So also 1.5 cups of diced onion, 1.5 cups of diced celery, 1/4 cup uncooked brown rice, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, and you could mince your own or get already minced garlic, what I have. Then 2 teaspoons of thyme, 1.5 teaspoons of kosher salt, or whatever salt you like. I like this salt. And I'm going to guess on a half here. You can adjust the seasonings to your taste. It's better to add a little less salt, a little less pepper, and then at the end you can add more if you like. So now 1/2 teaspoon of ground pepper. Stir all the ingredients. So we're going to cook this on high, 3.5 to 4 hours, or low, 7 to 8 hours. I'm not crazy about these clamps, but when you're traveling, if you're taking food somewhere, it's really nice that it doesn't leak out in your car. So let me turn the power on. I'm going to set it to 3.5 hours. I'll check it on high. There we go. You're going to cook it until the lentils are as soft as you like them. So I'll check it at 3.5 hours. If they're not done, I'll add some more time. So we'll see you in about 3.5 to 4 hours. Okay, it's been about 4 hours since our French lentil rice soup has been cooking, and we're going to go ahead and try it. I probably should have checked it earlier, but I didn't. I got detoured. It smells amazing though. The whole place smells amazing. So we're going to go ahead and stir things around. And I'm quite sure the lentils are cooked. This is a really good recipe for leftovers. Everybody loves it when they can just go to the fridge and heat up a bowl real easily. It's very satisfying. Okay, let's try some. You could add a little more salt and pepper right now if you like. And if you don't want this much, you could cut the recipe in half. I'm going to let it cool just a minute. Okay, I'm ready to try French lentil rice soup. So delicious. I love it. It is so delicious. I hope you try it, and I'll see you in the next lesson.